We have three types of taper fade. You understand? Three types of taper fade. This is one hairstylist from West Africa, Ghana. Your tip master. Every day I post tips on all my social media platforms, talking about Facebook, YouTube. Fast forward, let's go straight to the three types of taper fade. We have low fade, we have mid fade, and we have high fade. You understand? So you need to understand this as a professional barber or as a client. When you are going for taper fade, know the kind of taper fade that will suit you, that will fit your hair, or the kind of taper fade that you want. You understand? Don't just go to your barber and tell him I want taper fade. No, we have three types of taper fade. The low fade, talking about the low fade, the mid fade, and the high taper fade. You understand? These are the three types of taper fade we have. So as a professional barber, to you to try and learn more about it, know much about the taper fade. So when your clients walk to you and ask you, I want taper fade, you will able to differentiate between, the low fade, the high fade, and the mid fade. You understand? It's very, very important. You understand? Because nowadays someone will just walk to you, I want taper fade, I want taper fade, because sometimes the person low fade may suit him but he want high fade, or maybe mid fade may suit him but he want low fade. You understand? So you, the barber, you have to know all this so that you can explain to your client, because they don't really have much idea about these things. So to show them or to prove to them that you are a professional, always make sure that you explain to them we have low fade, mid fade, and high taper fade. You understand? These are the three types. We have the same thing in three steps. We have three step low fade, and we have mid fade, and we have high fade in that side too. But I'm talking about taper fade right now. You understand? That's precaution for all barbers, hairdressers, and those stuff. You understand? I've come across a video that they are using the hand dryer and it blew up, fire catch up. You understand? Let me tell you guys, this is a hand dryer with cable, and this cable is always connected to the light. So once you are connecting this to the light, it is easy to see that kind of things, lights in those stuff, because when there is a leakage on the cable, it's going to blow up. Because when the you guys want to do 360 wave but you are not ready to bear the cost, you understand? 360 come with a cost. You understand? You cannot just stand up one day that I want to do 360 wave, without spending. It's a whole lot. You need to get yourself do right, get yourself the shampoo, get yourself the cream you will use to apply. You understand? And you need to maintain it every day. It's everyday job. You understand? Every morning, every evening, you have to maintain. You have to apply the cream to your hair. You have to always make sure that you tie it with the drudge to make sure that your hair is always dope. You get it? So 360 wave, if you know you cannot spend, you cannot bear the cost, don't try, because it comes with cost. The product you need to use, the shampoo, the cream, everything is a whole lot. You understand? So if you want to do 360 wave, be ready that you have to buy all these things. Thank you so much. This is your tip master, number one SR from West Africa, Ghana. Do well, follow me on Facebook and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Freshbeegh TV.
Arrumando arrumando meu cabelo para o Pedrão até que...
Meu Deus do céu. Как замечательно. Доброе утро.
Precaution for all barbers, hairdressers, and those stuff. You understand? I've come across a video that they are using the hand dryer and it blew up, fire catch up. You understand? Let me tell you guys, this is a hand
Arrumando meu
dryer
cabelo
with
para o
cable.
Pedrão até que...
And this cable is always connected to the light. So once you are connecting this to the light, it is easy to see that kind of things, light stuff, because when there is a leakage on the cable, it's going to blow up. Because
when there is a leakage on the cable, automatically it's going to blow up. You understand? So as a professional barber, try and learn more about it. Always check it every morning. This is for hairdressers, barbers. We all use this hand dryer, so it's very, very important to make sure that every morning, anytime, you check on the cable. You understand, before using it. It's very, very important, so that if you see any form of leakage or any form of this, and then you just make sure that you fix it before you use it, or else you can burn your shop. You can it can cost a lot. So try and learn much about it. This is your number one hairstylist, your tip master from West Africa, Ghana. Do well. Follow me on all social media platforms. Talking about YouTube, Facebook, and all social media platforms for more tips. Understand? So every morning, make sure you check the cable well before you start using it. It's very, very important. You understand? This is your number one hairstylist.
Arrumando meu cabelo para o Pedrão até que...
Meu Deus do céu. Как замечательно. Доброе утро.
Precaution for all barbers, hairdressers, and those stuff. You understand? I've come across a video that they are using the hand dryer and it blew up, fire catch up. You understand? Let me tell you guys, this is